Okay, Luna's new trick. She really wanted me to show you. What are you doing?
Skipping.
Skipping. And again. Good job, Luna. Is that your sister? Is that her? What's she doing? Oh, do it again. Yeah, you're doing it. Whoa. You okay? It's crazy about you. You crazy about your sister? Nah. And let's see if he can skip. Here he comes. Do it, dude. Just like your big sister. There you I think he's a little bit distracted. Nice work.